I mean, I was just saying that we were running low on 10s. Have we actually gotten a 10? And Golden Ardea, who are you hiding? 3, 2, 1. Brah. That's a bra moment. Another 10 Shia! Not even... I mean, do I sleeve it? Do I sleeve this? I mean, I feel like it'd be funnier if I did, but do I honestly want... Or like, do I have it share a sleeve with its... Share a sleeve with the other one? Hey, look at that, they're together. Ah, yes, you'll... When in doubt, chain yourself to yourself. Alright, now that bit's over.